How to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen? First step, restart Valorant and Riot client. Close Valorant, open Task Manager, search for Valorant and Riot client. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Restart the PC. After the next step, restart Riot Vanguard. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. The services page will appear. In this you need to scroll down and search for VGC. Right click it, click properties and make sure the startup type it should be in automatic or manual. It depends on you. You can set it, and the service status it should be in running mode. It's important settings. Make sure it should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. One more time, right click it and click restart. Close it and come to next step. Clear your client cache. For this, search for run and type the following text percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for your games folder. Click it and click Valorant. Delete the folder. Close it and come back. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall and click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Riot Client and Valorant. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the applications of not having means you need to add the application by click Allow another app. Click Browse and add it. Go to C drive, Riot Games, Riot Client to get the Riot Client. Same like this you need to add Riot Client and Valorant. Click Add in the bottom side. Click OK in the bottom side. Once complete after close it and come to next step, prepare Valorant files. For this open up Riot client, click the profile icon, click settings. This page will be open. In this click Valorant and click repair. It's actually repairing the game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after it will throw up the message successfully repaired. After close it and come to next step. Successfully repaired. Click OK. Go back and then last and final step, reset network settings. For this, open up command prompt, click run as administrative and type the following text ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click enter. And the next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. The next command netsh space int space IP space reset. Click enter. The last and final exit it. After exit, restart your device. Thank you.